Hello, good morning once again, my dear student at home. My dear Matthew 1 students, how are you today? I hope you're doing good. So today we just continue our lesson on Euclidean algorithm or the long division method about getting the value of the GCD or the greatest common divisor or greatest common factor. Okay, so we just continue. If we had yesterday about getting the GCD of two big integers, just like this in our example, number one. So if you still remember the method, so there are two numbers here and how to do this. So we have here the dividend, the big number, and the smaller number will be divisor. So we divide this to this one. It will be 1. 1 times this will give you 3549, right? So you subtract this, and you got 197. So this will be your new divisor. So 3549 divided by 1197, it will be 2. 2 times 1197 is 2394. And you subtract this, and you got 1155. So the same here. So if you're going to divide only using the conventional way, so we have here the bigger number and the smaller number, just divide only. 1 times this is this one, and you subtract, and you have this one. Okay? And again, so this will be your new divisor here outside, and this one will be your new dividend here inside. And divide the same process, and we got this one, the same as this, right? Now we continue this. So if you're going to divide again, like this, and change again, this will be your new divisor and new dividend. And again, the result will be the new divisor and a dividend until such time that you get 0. So for the long division method or the Euclidean algorithm, we just only put all of those solutions into box, just like this. So again, this is our divisor. So this is the greater value. So we have 1, and 1 times 1155 is 1155. And we subtract this, we got 42. Now here, this one is our new divisor, 1155 divided by 42. That is how much? 27. 27 times 42 is 1134. We subtract this 2, you got 21. So this will be our new divisor again. 42 divided by 21 is how much? You have 2. 2 times 21 is 42. 42 minus 42 is 0. So we arrive at 0. Therefore, the last divisor here, this one is our GCD. Okay? Did you understand it? I hope so. Now this was another. So you have the number 420 and 380. So this is the smaller number. 420 divided by 380 is 1. 1 times 380 is 380. You subtract this, 420 minus 380 is 40. So this will be our new divisor. 380 divided by 40 is 9. 9 times 40 is 360. And we subtract this, we have 20. Okay, so 40 divided by 20 is 2. Then 2 times 20 is 40. 40 minus 40, then 0. And therefore the GCD is 20. As easy as that. So just follow the method on how to find the GCD. Okay? Now we go to our lesson today is to find the GCD of 3. Okay, different integers. So if we have the last one, we have 2. Now we're going to find 3. Okay, the GCD of these 3 integers. But the same method that we are following. Just only we continue the process. From 2, you divide the 2 numbers, and after you get 0, then you continue with the third number. And again, when you're dividing, again, make sure that the divisor is lesser than the dividend. So this is the divisor, and this can be the dividend because it's greater than. Or you can be, this is divisor, or this is dividend. Or this is divisor, this is dividend. So it's up to you which number that you like to start. You can have, like this one I have here, 6460, 6460. You can have also 8064, or you can have also 8060. It's up to you. Still, you will arrive at the same answer. Okay? Now we start. So for this one, 60 divided by 60, 64 divided by 60 is 1. 1 times 60 is 60. 64 minus 60 is 4. So this will be our new divisor. 60 divided by 4 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. So again, since that we arrive already at 0, then we start with the third number. So the 80 will be brought here, this one. So this will be our dividend. 80 divided by 4 is, we have there 20. 20 times 4 is 80. And 80 minus 80 is 0. So therefore, our last divisor that we are using is 4. This is our last divisor, right? This is our last divisor, and that is our GCD. Okay, for 60, 64, and 80. So that's how easy to find the GCD of three integers, big integers, using this long division method or the Euclidean algorithm. Okay, next, we have here 100, 220, and 130. So again, as I have mentioned earlier, that you can start with any of these numbers, okay, as long as the divisor is lesser than the dividend. It's like this, 100 and 120. You can have also 120 and 130, or 100 and 130, okay, as long as the divisor is lesser, like this. So 120 divided by 100 is 1, and 1 times 100 is 100. 120 divided by 100 is 20. So this will be our new divisor. 100 divided by 20 is 5. 5 times 20 is 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. Okay, so we end up 0, and we go with the third number here. We're going to write it here, 130. So 130 divided by 20 is 6. And 6 times 20 is 120. And we subtract this, 130 minus 120 is 10. And we start again, 20 divided by 10 is 2. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So therefore, our last divisor that we're using is 10, this one. This is our last divisor. Therefore, the GCD for 100, 120, and 130 is 10. Okay, it's easy as that, right? Very easy. So I hope that you understand this method to find the GCD, or the greatest common factor or greatest common divisor of 2 or 3 or more integers, especially the big numbers. Because if you have the big integers, it will be like difficult for you to factorize using prime numbers, because it will be very long. If you're going to divide using short division, it will be very long. But unlike if you're going to use the long division method, it would be easy and shorter. Okay? Even though that you will have like here 1,000 of numbers, like 5,000 and 10,000, you will get the GCD. Still easy using this method. Okay? So we have here our activity for today. I hope that you will answer this. So you're going to answer this, find the GCD. Okay, the GCD of this. So wait, I will write first the caption. Okay, so we have here activity for today. You're going to copy this 3 numbers into your notebook. Okay, yellow notebook. So find the GCD using the Euclidean algorithm. Okay, using this 3 numbers, find the GCD, and also as well answer number 6 on page number 17 of your workbook. So for this, you need to answer in your workbook right away. But for this one, number 1, 2, and 3, you need to copy this into your yellow notebook. Okay, so again, that this is our activity for today, and you will get points for this. And I hope that all of you at home, especially the odd numbers at group, will answer this activity so that you have also points because your friends here in the classroom, they got already the points because they answer, they understand. It's like that 95% of them understood our lesson, especially this one, algorithm. So the same with you at home. I hope that you will understand also this and you can answer, figure out the answers for this activity today. Okay, so if you don't have any question, and that's all for today, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.